Hi friends, today let us learn two lessons. One is how to alter or make any changes in the ledger. Second one is how to delete a ledger which we do not want. First, let us see how to alter a ledger. Go to Alter, press Enter. Go to Ledger, press Enter. I am selecting rent account. Here you make it as rent paid. Press Enter. This grouping is correct, so I'll keep it as indirect expenses. Come down, come to an end, enter to accept this. So the account has been changed to rent paid. Now let me go to salary account. Here I will change as rent received. Rent received. Rent received is an income. So we will select indirect income. Here let us see the grouping is also changed. We can change like this. We can alter the group. Then come back, say not applicable. Here not applicable. And come to an end, pressing enter. Accept by pressing enter. See, now these two account has been changed now. This is how we can alter any ledger, like name of the ledger or grouping we can correct. Any corrections, alterations if you want to do like this, we can do it. And let us see how to delete a ledger. Now let us go to purchases. This account I want to delete. So you can see the delete option here in the bottom. Delete is there. Just click on that. It will ask the prompt. Delete, yes or no. Say yes or press enter. The account has been deleted now. This is how you can alter and delete a ledger in Tally. Thank you friends. Let us meet in next video with some interesting topic. In the description box we have left one PDF working sheet. Download it and you can practice creating ledger, alter and deleting ledgers which we have mentioned in the PDF file. Thank you so much. If you like this video, subscribe it and share with your friends. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box. Thank you.